Hey guys, Mike Hawley with Blackdog Speed Shop, and lots of people come up to me and they say, hey Mike, what does Blackdog Speed Shop do? Well, they know we've got a dyno and they know we've got a race team, but I'd like to give you a quick example of what we're really good at. And right here we have a car on the lift, an older, it's a late 60s car, and back in the back here, we've done a completely modern independent rear suspension. It's all welded in, inboard disc brakes, you're getting high horsepower half shafts, everything a modern sports car would have. Now let's go look at the front suspension. So what we've got in the front now on this car is a full rack and pinion. Now this car didn't come with any of this stuff. So you've got upper and lower control arms. It's going to have coil over shocks in it. They're not in. Power rack and pinion. This is all welded in, and that's exactly what we do here at Blackdog. Modern rear suspension, modern front suspension, so this car will handle like a brand new car. So along with the front and rear suspension being all brand new and all modern, inside the engine bay, brand new modern power plant. Great horsepower, great gas mileage, all the things these cars didn't offer in the past. This car is going to end up with modern air conditioning, power windows, power locks, all the stuff new cars have that they didn't have back then. You could drive this every day. Most people don't, but you could, and it'll feel just like a regular sports car that you could buy off the showroom floor today. That's what we do at Blackdog Speed Shop.